Maryland home prices achieved a new all-time high. Both detached and attached units overall closed at their best prices in 10 years. However, condos closed at 8.5% lower. It's the last Friday of July and the last day of the month. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Maryland Market Minute, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Maryland. 1,118 sellers have listed as coming soon, priced between $39,000 and $6,500,000. 1,560 homes are newly active, priced between $5,000 to $15,500,000. 919 homes went under contract, priced from $159,900 to $4,750,000. 1,522 have moved from under contract to pending, priced between $5,000 and $2,995,000. 1,910 homes were closed since last Friday, priced between $10,000 and $2,950,000. The temp-off properties are up 1,612 properties, priced between $4,900 and $5,300,000. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share to get all the updates regarding the Maryland market. Maryland showed resilience as closing volume rose 37.2% month-to-month higher than the May to June 5-year average gain of 12.4%. Baltimore County, Harford County, and Howard County all fell in listing inventory to their lowest points. Montgomery County sold properties bounced back 31.9% from May, with Silver Spring representing a 26.7% gain month-to-month for settled properties. Baltimore County saw a decade best at 9 days on the market for townhomes, 1 day lower than June 2019. Middle River townhomes stayed on the market for only 14 days, 6 days less than 1 year ago. That's your Maryland Market Minute for Friday, July 31st, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. If you have any questions about your specific circumstances, call or text me. Thanks for tuning in. Have a super weekend, and I'll be here next Friday.